Okay, so I am here. So again, welcome to the channel. I am at Captain D's. So this portion of the video will go on my review video. I'm gonna go inside. So Captain D's is a place, it's a seafood restaurant that I haven't been to since I was a kid in the 1990s, and like early 2000s. Now I will be getting some fried food, deep fried, which I don't eat. I haven't eaten cooks. I haven't eaten like cookies, chips, cakes, fried food since like high school years, 2000s. Between 2005 and 2007 is when I stopped eating all those type of foods. So this will be like a one-time deal. I haven't had it in a long time. I gotta give it a try. I'm hungry. I have an urge for some seafood. They have some really good crab cakes, and it's stuffed crab. This is not. I think Long John Silver was a crab cake. They have stuffed crabs in here. I'll show that. Anyway, I'll get a review on it. Tell you what the food is like. This is Captain D's. This is the only restaurant that was in this area, north of the area up here. So it's a rare restaurant. I guess it's considered fast food, seafood, and it's lightning. So fortunately, that storm did not come here. I drove right past it. It looked like a supercell almost. If you'd like to see the driving video of me driving on the way here, go to my new car channel, Dunamis Coupe. That's where I do the driving POVs. You can see my drive over here. It wasn't, you know, people in the way as usual, but it wasn't too bad of a drive. It was a pretty quick drive. Sort of don't even want to drive, but I do have to drive back that way. But it looks like it's going north. It looks like it's going to pass right above the town. Hopefully, because I hate when my car gets dirty and it's difficult to clean. And there's Granny's. Wow. I have to tell them about that. I used to eat that as a kid. That's over here too. Grandy's chicken was big. So that's when I used to live up in Tulsa, in Oklahoma. Years ago, there was Grandy's, there was Church's Chicken, there's Captain D's. So let me go inside. I already know what I'm going to order the food, and I'll do a review later. I'll show the inside a bit, but then I'll do a review later. All right. But let me get out and show you the car. Look at this. Storm is crazy, man. And there's Grandy's over there again. I haven't been to Grandy's since I was a kid. Let me see the car. Hold on, let me get a picture. Let me get a picture. Look at this. This is it. This is the shot. This is the thumbnail. I just saw lightning in the back. Yeah, someone in my family just told me where they're at, so they're up there. They said it's storming really bad. There's some lightning, so let me go inside. I don't know, man. Either storm is getting closer or just growing in size. Holy crap. I want to drive up there. Pretty nice. Wow, so I'm looking at this storm. You probably can't see it, so blurry. It's coming straight here, man, east. So I made you a driving video on the way back. It'll have to be fast. Man, I was really hoping I wasn't gonna get rained on, but this is a serious storm. So let's see. The food is here. I'm gonna tie it up. The food's here. This might be a crazy drive. I'm gonna try to beat the storm. If it starts raining, it will be on camera. So stay tuned. Again, this will be on my driving POV channel. It won't be on the official review on the other channels. But if you want to see me drive through a crazy storm, potentially, if I don't beat it, come to the driving channel, Dunamis Coupe. Let's do it. Alright. Here it is. These are... There used to be more, but these are the stuffed crabs.
Where did it come from?
These are the clams. I'm getting in my plate. Alright, so here's the food. And there you go. Shrimp, fish, stuffed crabs. These are my favorite things to eat as a kid. Stuffed crabs, and looked more small than I remember, maybe because I was a little kid back then, but I used to like those. And I think it was Long John Silver's or Red Lobster that had the crab cakes. These are clam strips. I never had those. Macaroni, broccoli sauce, and some tartar sauce here. Tartar sauce, and this is cocktail sauce right there. I do have a little ketchup. I have a ketchup pack, but I don't know. And I eat broccoli every day, so I'm not really concerned about testing it. Let me taste the main thing, the fish. So let's see. It's crazy. When I was a kid, I didn't really like fish as a kid. So then it wasn't until like years later, like this, I didn't even eat restaurant food in general or high sodium food. So to me, anything's going to taste good. Clam strips. Wow. So take this as, this is from a perspective of someone who doesn't really eat at restaurants. Because to me, it's just good. That was a shrimp. But damn. That's good. Hold on. Let me get the macaroni. I'm actually watching Thunderbolts, the Marvel film, for the first time. So I can't wait to see Sentry. He's one of my favorite characters. Macaroni is good. It tastes like nothing amazing. It tastes like something, not like crabs, but a little bit better. It's around crabs and macaroni, but a little bit better, if that makes sense. And there's a little bit, again, all the food is a little bit salty. Hush puppies. Used to eat these a lot, but I think that's what I remember. But so far, the shrimp is the best. And the fish is the second best. The clam strips are pretty good. And now, my favorite part, if I can get some. And I got some macaroni. But this is the stuffed crab here. And the stuffed crab is my favorite. It's my most favorite. So stuffed crab first. That's like I used to eat that as a kid. That was my favorite. The shrimp is the second best. The fish is the third best. Clam strips is the fourth best. Broccoli. I mean, I'll do a little bite, but steamed broccoli. Yeah. So let me watch the movie. Let me try a little bit of cocktail sauce on there. What is it on that shrimp? So here's a little bit of cocktail sauce. Yeah. Some tartar sauce there on the fish. Man, it's good, man. I can't eat it every day. I can't eat this every day, man. It's too good. I'm just like, I don't eat restaurant food. I can't really. Have to eat low sodium diets anyway. But I don't know, man. Captain D's is something I grew up with, man. I gotta give it like a 7.5 out of 10, man. I do recommend Captain D's. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Let me get back to Thunderbolts. I'll see you.
Oh my God!